Today we're on Koh Rong Island, one of the most beautiful islands in Cambodia, and we're about to spend a day exploring exactly why so many people fall in love with island life here. Together with my Khmer wife, our children and her extended family, we've hired a local fishing boat and crew for a full day adventure around Koh Rong. We'll be fishing in the clear tropical waters, swimming in secluded bays, enjoying fresh seafood and experiencing a side of Cambodia that many tourists never get to see. One of the things I love most about living and travelling in Cambodia is that some of the best experiences aren't found in guidebooks or tourist attractions. There's simple days like this, spending time with family, meeting local people and enjoying everything that makes Cambodian culture so special. As we make our way around Koh Rong Island, we'll be stopping to buy fresh seafood directly from local fishermen, cooking our catch on a barbecue right on the boat, and taking in some incredible views of Cambodia's coastline along the way. We'll finish the day with a beautiful Koh Rong sunset before heading back to our beachfront bungalow on Koh Touch Beach. So, if you're interested in Cambodia travel, Koh Rong Island, Cambodian island life, or you're simply curious about what it's really like spending time with a local Khmer family, you're in the right place. Let's get out on the water and see what the day brings. Of course, none of us are professional fishermen, but with the help of the local crew, we quickly got our lines in the water. The fishing here isn't about competition, it's about enjoying the day, spending time together and hopefully catching enough for a nice lunch. At this point, we stopped alongside another fishing boat where my wife picked up some freshly caught seafood directly from the fishermen. You can't get much fresher than this. They'd probably been swimming only a few hours before. And now came the reward. Fresh fish we'd caught ourselves, seafood bought directly from local fishermen, and everything cooked right on the boat. It doesn't get much fresher than this. The fishing done for a while, it was time to cool off. The water around Koh Rong is really as clear as everyone says, and spending an afternoon swimming in these tropical waters is hard to beat. As the day came to an end, we headed back towards Koh Rong, with the sun slowly dropping towards the horizon. Moments like this are one of the reasons I love Cambodia so much. Beautiful scenery, great food, and spending time with family. Back at Koh Touch Beach, we finished the day exactly where we started. After an incredible day on the water, all that was left was to relax and enjoy another evening on this beautiful island. What a fantastic day that turned out to be. From fishing in the crystal clear waters around Koh Rong, to swimming, enjoying fresh seafood and watching that beautiful Cambodian sunset. It's been one of those days that reminds me exactly why I love spending time in Cambodia with my family. I hope you've enjoyed coming along for the adventure. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share it with anyone who might be interested in Cambodia travel, retirement in Cambodia, expat life or digital nomad life in Southeast Asia. It really does help the channel grow and it allows more people to discover these amazing experiences. If you'd like to support the channel a little further, you can use the super thanks button below the video or buy me a coffee using the link in the description. Every bit of support helps me continue creating videos and sharing more of Cambodia with all of you. And don't forget to keep watching because there's plenty more to come, whether you're a tourist planning your first visit, a digital nomad looking for your next destination, or an expat already living in Cambodia. I've got lots more videos on the way that I think you'll enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next Cambodia adventure.